What's up, YouTube community? I'm Big Miss Bird. I got something I've probably seen the first time on YouTube. Ta-da! Star Kids Creations Microwaveables Tuna Tomato Basil. I cannot say it. It just tell you it's in it. You got what? Let me show you a seed. You a bit there. Wild tuna, barley, tomatoes, basil, I was still saying that wrong, garlic, black olives, extra virgin olive oil. It says it's fully cooked. Microwave 30 seconds. That's not bad. Shows you on the back. Microwave safe pouch. Till 1-inch vent. Heat for 30 seconds. Go and enjoy. Well, I'm going to go ahead and open this up here a bit. Okay, I got my heat thing. And I'll be right back. And I'm going to try this thing out for y'all. Okay, it just shows right here. Cool touch. That's where you hold it at when it's pretty hot. But it's not that hot right now. Okay, I'm going to open this up and try it. That looks pretty darn good. Try not to make a mess here. Borrow some scissors real quick. Alright. Give myself a fork here. Alrighty then. Sorry for taking so long. That's pretty good. There you go. Let's get a bit more into the fork here. That's delicious. No lie. I would definitely buy these again. Until next time, I'm Big Miss Bird.